Welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet this cute butterfly bookmark. Grab your yarn and hook and let's get started.
We're going to make a magic ring, then make 3 chains and consider these chains as a first double crochet. Going into the ring, make 2 double crochet, 1, 2. Make 3 chains. Again, going to the ring and make 3 double crochet, 2 and 3. 3 chains, tight the ring and turn our work. Now we're going to this middle space and make in same space 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3 chains, and again in same space 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Again 3 chains, turn, and we're going to continue repeat at same way by turning and keep continue until your desired size. As I showed you, in same space 3 double crochet, 3 chains, 3 double crochet, 3 chains again, and turn, and keep continue and repeat at same way until you reach to your desired size. You can also measure according to your book. Keep continue. Now for butterfly, with the white yarn or any yarn that you want, make a slip knot and make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Join into the first chain and make a circle. 3 chains, 2, 3, into the ring, make a 1 double crochet. We consider this 3 chain as a double crochet. 2 chains, again into the ring, make a 2 double crochet, 2 chains, again 2 double crochet. Look, the 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 groups. Now totally we're going to make it 8 groups like this. 2 chain, 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 2 double crochet, making 8 groups. After making 8 groups, going into the 3rd chain, make a slip stitch, 1 chain, and cut yarn. Now with another color, make a slip knot and going between double crochet. Look, not 2 chains spaces, between double crochets, make a 1 single and going to the 2 chain spaces and making 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 in same space, and join, look, by slip stitches between the next double crochets. Look, between the next double crochet, and again without any chain, going to the 2 chain spaces, make a 6 double crochet, 1 and 6, and going to the look next between the next double crochets, make a slip stitch. and keep continued like this, and at the end we'll have a 8 groups of this. After making and joining into the first double crochet, now our flower is ready. We're going to make 8 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, and look, from the middle of our flower, fold it and go around the, look, like this, and join into the first chain like this, make a 1 chain and cut and leave a yarn a little long, look, shape with your hand. Now we're going to make an antenna of butterfly. Antenna of butterfly, just we're going to make a knot. Look, first knot, make a, leave a little space and make a second knot. Look, first and second knot. Cut the yarn, cut the extra yarn. This is our first knot, our second knot. Look, and going to the top of the butterfly here, with the help of hook, look, and this is the butterfly antenna. Now we're going to join the butterfly into our next part.
And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more crochet projects.